Okay, so today let's talk something about creating patterns in Adobe Illustrator. As you must have seen that the patterns are very widely designed graphics and are very much has its own significance. So let's get started go straight to the point. As you can see that I have just created few illustrations of an ice cream cone and I want to create a repeated pattern of it. So there are multiple ways to do it. One way of doing it is that you simply create a group of these four and holding the alt key and just keep on pressing Ctrl D, so it will replicate the same. In the same way you can move it vertically and press Ctrl D, but this is not the ideal way to do it. So because in some scenario there are some large arrays or matrix to create the patterns, so the most reasonable method of doing so is that just select all four shapes, press Ctrl G to group it, and then go to object, pattern, and create make. Here you can see that a new pattern tab has been opened, pattern options, and here you can select the style that if you want to make it a grid, brick by row, brick by column, but normally we create like it as a grid. And we can also adjust the matrix, that how many rows and how many columns should be there. So ideally we can put it as 9 by 9. Okay, so as you can see that we have created a pattern and simply click done, as you can see at the top of the screen. Okay, as you can see that when you go to the window swatches, so here you can see that the new pattern has already been added. Okay, so pick up the square tool, select the swatch and just create this. You can take any other shape like ellipse, circle. You can create multiple patterns like that to increase the productivity of your project. If you want to edit something, just simply double click on this pattern and you can make adjustment. You can change the size, you can change the number of copies, you can change the spacing of horizontal and vertical from here, and then simply click done. So every edit that you will make will be applied on it. As you can see that we have made some changes. So if now we create the pattern, the shape, you can clearly see that what change has been made on it. So that was a simple tutorial and hope you must have liked it.